Tonight, the storm is wild, but we are not. Out here on the patio, wrapped in warmth, tea steaming in my hands, candlelight dancing in the dark, I'm reminded that peace isn't about the absence of chaos, it's the choice to breathe inside it. Sir Isaac Newton snores softly in my lap, totally unbothered by the wind, the rain, the warnings, the noise of the world rushing around us. And maybe that's the message for us tonight. You can be held, you can be safe, you can be the calm even when life storms. So let the river roar, let the rain come down, let the world move fast. Here, in this little circle of light, you are grounded, protected, and invited to rest. Just breathe. Unclench your shoulders. Let the candlelight remind you peace is still possible, even now.